Virat Kohli returning back home to India before the Test series is completed. In fact, only after the first Test match, because he's going to become a father. I mean, he and Anushka, his wife, are expecting their firstborn. It's created a bit of a flutter. In fact, in some circles, it's created a bit of a brouhaha.
I think players have a responsibility outside the realm of just playing cricket towards their families.
This is a moment that will not come very often in his life.
Gender roles are changing.
ड्यू टू एनी रीजन कुछ भी है लेकिन देश पहले आपके लिए क्योंकि आपने कैप्टनसी संभाल रखी है.
Virat Kohli not captaining India, Virat Kohli missing from the batting lineup is gonna be huge.
Indian skipper Virat Kohli will return home from the tour of Australia to be with wife Anushka Sharma, who is due for delivery in January 2021. Kohli will leave after the conclusion of the opening test in Adelaide after the Board of Control for Cricket in India granted Kohli paternity leave. The Indian skipper will miss 3 out of the 4 test matches that India will be playing against Australia for the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Opinions about the Indian skipper's decision to take paternity leave in the midst of an overseas cricket series were divided. While many praised Kohli for being a supportive husband to Anushka Sharma, others were of the opinion that he should have stayed in Australia and performed his national duty as a cricketer. We at Midday decided to ask cricket experts and Mumbaikars their opinion about Kohli's paternity leave and whether they think his absence will affect the outcome of the series. This is what we found out.
A lot of the players, former players, including some of the Australian players, have said or kind of obliquely hinted that, hey, in our days, we took it as a matter of course, and we never came back from a tour. Maybe they didn't, and maybe it didn't happen then. I'm sure it didn't happen then. Not much, at least. I mean, if it happened, it was never in the news, but then you can't keep Virat Kohli out of the news at all. That said, I think, one must appreciate there are new sensibilities. This is a new generation. This is a new, relationships are not as they were in the past, that there was a certain profile of functions and things that men did and something that only women did. I think it's far more. It's not more complex, it's more compatible. And I think that's really something that is the feature of what we are seeing in Virat Kohli's case also. Remember, this is not the first time it's happened. Even Rohit Sharma, 2 years back in 2018, came back home during the Test series because he and his wife were expecting their firstborn. And earlier this year, Joe Root, he was becoming a father for the second time. He missed some matches in the home season, played in July, August this year. So it's not something new or novel, but it's something, in fact, to be appreciated that Virat Kohli has, made this effort to come back from Australia. And I must just clarify here that had it not been for the strict quarantine rules, he would probably have gone back and played 2 of the 3 test matches that he's missing. He would have been here for the birth of the child, his firstborn, and then gone back. But that, unfortunately, is not possible in this quarantine period that we have in this COVID times.
For all, this is a moment that will not come very often in his life. It is the birth of his first child, and while he's playing cricket is his profession, he's got every right to take a break from that profession and be around for such a momentous occasion in his life. Remember also that his wife Anushka Sharma is a huge Bollywood star, and she's going to be taking a break from her professional commitments. So it's only right for Virat to be here as well, to support his wife and to be around for such a joyous occasion in his life. It is, after all, nothing like being a soldier on the front line or anything like that. It is a sport that he plays. At the end of the day, there'll be many opportunities to be part of many big series, but this is the kind of moment that won't come very often in his life.
It's such a brilliant example. If Virat Kohli is taking paternity leave, I really hope that it inspires many men.
Duty towards nation and duty towards family, both are equally very important. But the person who is representing India, for him, country should be always a priority.
The game is evolved. I think players have a responsibility outside the realm of just playing cricket towards their families. And test matches will come, cricket will come and go, opportunities of being with the family, when your newborn is being born, is something that the captain would like to experience. So I just think that it's a part of life, and there's no harm or guilt in the fact that this is a priority with him, and it should be a priority with everybody.
बड़े बड़े जो क्रिकेटर हैं उनकी लाइफ में भी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुए हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा कभी डिसीजन नहीं लिया। उसके घर में बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी है जो वो यूज कर सकता है, लेकिन उसने इसी के लिए अपने आप को ब्रेक लिया है, तो ये गलत है।
Let's not create a fuss about Virat Kohli going on paternity leave during the Australian series. Yes, it's a very important tour for India as far as the World Test Championship is concerned, where India is second just below Australia. However, we need to understand that cricketers are human beings too. They too have a family like you and me. So fatherhood is a very special moment in anyone's life, and no wonder Virat Kohli has chosen to be with his wife.
Now, will it make a difference to India's fortunes in the Test series? It well could. It could, because he's such a important. In fact, he's been India's best batsman for the last. If you look at what's been happening in the last 7-8 years, and he's the kind of batsman the opposition fears, even in Australia. Remember, in 2018, Cheteshwar Pujara scored more runs than Virat Kohli, but Virat's presence on the field, and if he's there, he's the captain. The intensity that he brings to his own kind of performance and lifts everybody else along with him would obviously be missed. And Australia this time is at full strength with David Warner and Steven Smith back. The bowling attack is fabulous. Somebody like a Virat Kohli batting at number 4 in the Test series, well, it could just make such a big difference. But having said that, I think this is also an opportunity for somebody else to get into the team and make a name for himself. The Indian batting is pretty strong. Rohit Sharma will be there for the Test matches. Hopefully, fingers crossed. There's KL Rahul, there's Cheteshwar Pujara, there's Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant. So there is a fair amount of talent there, and hopefully this talent will stand up to be counted even when Virat is not there.
When India won in Australia for the first time ever in their history 2 years ago, Virat Kohli was captain of the team. He is the premier batsman of the team. He's got a very good record in Australia. So all these factors do mean that India's middle order will be weakened by his absence. But then India is a batting country, and they've got other players who've had success in Australia in the past. Cheteshwar Pujara had a very good series. Ajinkya Rahane made 100 a couple of series ago. He's quite experienced, and there are some young batsmen who are coming through. KL Rahul might take Virat Kohli's place in that middle order. So India will find a way to replace him. It will not be a like-for-like replacement. Make no mistake, India will want the aggression and the captaincy of Virat Kohli as well in this series. But he's out for more important things, and India have the experience and the personnel to make up for his absence to some degree. So yes, while he will be missed, there's no doubt that India can actually cover for him in this series.
He being the captain, he should have acted more responsibly.
A team like Australia is very tough to compete right now. Even Rohit Sharma is not in the playing 11. I probably think that he should play this series.
और इस टाइम पे टीम भी अपनी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है जो इतने 2 स्टार प्लेयर कम हो जाएंगे.
The Australians would love to see a score sheet without Virat on that list, and that will give them a lot of confidence. It will boost them to be able to know that the key player isn't around. But having said that, the onus is on somebody else to be a hero. Will it affect the Indian team? It's difficult to say as of now, because you never know when the next hero crops up in Indian cricket. But to begin a game, it will always be a huge psychological advantage not to see a world-class player on that batting card. And that to me is going to be crucial, because the psychological edge will be with the Australians. But again, an opportunity for somebody in the Indian team to put their hand up and turn into the young gladiator who can make the change.
I remember when his father passed away, he didn't take any leave. At that time, country was first. So then why there is a change in attitude this time?
Concern over here is cricketers हैं, उनकी एक personal life भी रहती है. I don't know why it is getting so much media publicity on it.
We know Virat Kohli is an impact player. His leadership is top class, and the wonders that he created during the historic series win in 2018-19, it's all in front of us. We all saw those historic moments. So Virat Kohli not captaining India, Virat Kohli missing from the batting lineup is gonna be huge, no doubt about it. But at the same time, we have a capable captain in Ajinkya Rahane, who is the vice captain at the moment, and we have very good batsmen in our ranks who are waiting for an opportunity. So yes, the impact will be huge, but at the same time it will be exciting to see who can fill in Virat Kohli's shoes.
It should be taken on a positive note. There's a lot of talent on the bench, and there's a lot that can be achieved in Australia as well, even though there won't be Virat Kohli in the side. So
We have many other capable players in the Indian cricket team, IPL, Test match, One Day International, whatever it is. Virat Kohli is just going to have one first child in his life, and that child is also going to just have one father to bring him into this world. So if he really needs to take a paternity leave, I think it's completely okay.
अब ऐसा लगता है कि जब प्लेयर ही सीरियस नहीं है तो फैंस क्या करेंगे?
I would request you, Virat, that you should play, bro.
अब नहीं लोगे तो फिर कब लोगे? This is the right time, and I think Virat Kohli, you have taken up a very good decision. So please go for it.
Will Kohli's absence make a difference to the outcome of the Indian tour in Australia? It remains to be seen.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.